is the UAE SWAT Challenge 2025. Next out of the gate, it's the Bөрү Special Forces Unit of Kyrgyzstan. Sprint up those stairs to that platform at the top of the tower that you're seeing in front of you. They do have, what would you call it, a spotter. The rifle barrel must go through that red hoop that you can see. Clean from the Börü sniper. And the salters are away. More team members opting to wear sneakers on this day too. Not quite as snazzy as the Russian sneakers I saw from the Malakit boys earlier. Still pretty good though. They're out. And the run for home. 102.2.